Good morning. My name is Odo Samson Cheme. Here I will be introducing you on our tutorials. So what we'll be teaching here. Number one is industrial electrical devices. Industrial electrical devices. Number two is website development. Let's start from number one, which is industrial electrical devices. So let's see examples of electrical devices. Number one, MCB, the circuit breaker, contactor, relay, thermocouple, PLC, electric motor, HMI, etc. So these are some of the examples of electrical devices. The devices you see on industrial panel, the devices you see on electrical industrial panel. So we are going to pick them one by one. We are going to teach them one by one. 90% or 95% practical. So the first thing we are going to do is what we call identification. So we are going to know how to identify all these devices. For example, when you come to industrial panel, you'll be able to say that this is a breaker, this is a contactor, this is a relay, this is a temperature controller, etc. So after identification, so we are going to know how to test whether the device is good or not before we install it. So when you identify it, so you must know how to test it before you install it, whether it is a no one or not. You test it before you install it. So number three, we are going to know how to install it. Installation. How to install the devices. Number four, we are going to know if there's a fault. Maybe the installed device, if there's a fault, how to troubleshoot fault. How to troubleshoot and resolve a fault in industrial panel. How to check these devices, whether they are okay or not. Okay, let me briefly show you some examples of industrial electrical devices. For example, here I have MCB. This is what we call MCB with a rail. This rail is used to mount the MCB. So that is an example of MCB. We have this is contactor. We have different types. This is a contactor. So we have this is relay with a base. This is related. This is a base. Another example of relay with base. So this is 24-volt power supply. 24-volt power supply. So this is a switch. Different types of switch. This is a push button. This is toggle switch. So this is AC motor drive. This is 0.75. We have also this is 2.2 kilowatts. So, and we have PSC here. This is PSC. This is PSC. So we have another example of PSC. This is another example of PSC. So again we have multimeter, digital multimeter. So for testing, it's a digital multimeter. We have different sizes. This is small size multimeter. Okay, that is all we have for the industrial electrical now. So we'll be building projects with all these devices. So what we'll be doing here is 95% practical. 95% practical. So another thing we are going to treat, as I said earlier, is website development. Website development. We have three main technologies. We have three technologies used to design websites. Three technologies used to design websites. So number one, we have HTML. These are the technologies that every web developer must know. We have HTML, we have CSS, we have JavaScript. These are the three technologies that every web developer must know. So you must know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we are going to use, after tutorial, we are going to use it to build projects also. You are going to know how to code by yourself, write code by yourself, and run code in editor. So write code by yourself and run it in code editor. So that is what we have. It's just an introduction. So we'll be in tutorial in all this as time goes on. Okay. So this tutorial will be on YouTube and Facebook and some other social media. So you can visit us on our YouTube page, the Facebook page. You can subscribe on YouTube and follow us on the Facebook so that whatever we do, you'll be able to see it, and share our post to your friends, to the public, so that anybody that is interested can join us.